Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Netspend's All Access account. So it's pretty simple to log in into Netspend's All Access accounts. So the first thing is you want to come to your search engine and you want to go to this website called netspendallaccess.com. You want to type this on your search engine and then search for it. Then it's going to take you to Netspend's, all access website. From there, you guys can log in into your account. So let me show you guys by going into the website first. And as you guys can see, it's going to take you over here. Now what this is this is like a premium version of Netspend, right? It provides you all the best feature of prepaid card access of Netspend. So that's basically what Netspend All Access is, alright? So if you guys want to know more about it, you can always visit this website and know more about it. So once you're over here, you want to click on where it says login over here. So you want to click on login and it's going to take you to its login page. Now once you're over here, basically you want to enter your username and your password over here. After entering your username and password, click on login and you should be able to log in into your Netspend All Access account. For some reason, if you guys can't log in, then basically your username or your password is incorrect. So make sure to check them if they are correct or not. And if they are not correct, then make sure to correct them and then click on login and you should be able to log in into your account. But for some reason, if you forgot your username or password, you can always click on these two options over here at the bottom and then reset your username or password and get access to your account again. So yeah, that's the basic gist of it, how you guys can log in into Netspend All Access account. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and I will meet you guys in another video. Until then, bye bye.